Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear your Snapchat source history. Clearing your source history helps maintain privacy and declutters your app for a smoother experience. So, let's get started on how to clear your Snapchat source history. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the clear data option. In the clear data menu, you will find the clear source history option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to clear the Snapchat source history. Simply tap on the clear button and confirm your choice. And this is how you can clear your Snapchat source history.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.